Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 11th of November 2021, taking a look at Monero. Monero's in a really interesting spot here. So there's a lot of cryptos that look kind of like Monero, where you've got this really congested constriction going on, and it generally is affecting a lot of the kind of top 30 to top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap, excluding stablecoins. And it's those in between, the 40 and 20 market cap that are in the ranking that are affected, and Monero is one of them. Excuse me. But this kind of congestion here is important to kind of analyze, because over the last month or so, there have been several clear, overwhelming, bearish breakout conditions in the Ichimoku system that have failed to do anything. Bears are either unwilling or unable to initiate a clear sustained drop south. And so while this is still part of a broader bear flag pattern, or so some people might look at it as a bearish pennant, the overall price action here has stayed relatively steady, and that could be a bullish sign. So when you look at Monero, I mean, the wicks are all over the place, and sometimes it's easier to look at a chart like this by getting rid of those wicks. All right, then you kind of see it a little more clearly. Even if we get rid of the volume bars, rid of the Ichimoku system, you kind of see the price action a little bit more clearly, and it's not as messy. And so when you're looking at this chart here, first off, you might say, okay, well, there might be a head and shoulders pattern in there. Is there? Maybe, could be. But if we just think about the Ichimoku system itself, and we think about what are the conditions that need to be met for an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout. And those conditions are, in no particular order here, future span A needs to be above B, which it is. You need to have the close above the Tenkan-sen, the Kijun-sen, which it's not. You need to have the close above the cloud as well, which it's not. And then the Chiku span needs to trade above the candlesticks and be an open space. So it is above the candlesticks, but it's not an open space. Open space means that over the next 5 to 10 periods, it's not going to intercept the body of a candlestick, and it will intercept the body of a candlestick over the next 2-3 periods. So for all of those things to be true, and for there to be a clear, Ichimoku bullish breakout setup, Monero needs to push higher. It needs to close above the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen and the cloud, but it also needs to get itself into a position where the Chiku span is above the candlesticks and an open space. And the minimum price value that would occur at is at $290 even. That is what it needs to get to. $290 even. Get a daily close at or above that. Then Monero's in a clear, should be in a clear position to start a new bullish expansion phase. And I think the next one that hits Monero is going to hit that $500 mark without an issue. So that'll be something to watch and monitor, and just keep your eye on over the next rest of this week and going into the weekend too. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.